always message me worried that they've got too few papers. If you can demonstrate that you have done everything you can, it really doesn't matter how many papers you have. You need to make sure you've done that by doing these 3 things. The first one is making sure that your search terms and your search strategy is tight, and that's using things like Boolean operators, truncations, making sure you've used a number of databases. So if you're saying there's not enough literature and yet you've only searched one database and it's not the most relevant database to your discipline, your supervisor is going to be asking questions. You need to make sure that you have done a snowball search of the literature. So if you feel like you've exhausted all the relevant databases and you've only got 2 papers, well, if those 2 papers are relevant, it's likely they've cited other papers that are relevant. It is pretty normal and absolutely acceptable to do a search of reference lists and bibliographies. But what you need to do is just mention and justify why you've done that, and it's because you didn't find enough literature, and then you would just write on your Prisma diagram that you found this from databases and maybe an additional 2 or additional 5 from doing the snowball method. Right, good luck.